All right, guys, so here with the truck, and I am gonna be trying to pull the hood off of it. Of course, don't have any help, so I'm see if I can't do it myself. I got rags underneath the corners, so yeah, what could go wrong? Well, guys, when the hood landed, got the fender a little bit, hoping that I'm just gonna be able to wet sand and buff that out. Looks like you got it right there too. Hoping I'm gonna be able to just buff that out. It also doesn't help that I have now stayed up all night, so you know, probably not the strongest that I could be, but hey, I was able to get it over there on the stand, so that counts for something. But hopefully I didn't just mess up my fender completely. All right, guys, and just like that, I have the hood all sanded down, and this thing's pretty much ready to go now. So now all that's left is I still want to do the wiper arms, probably the door handles and the mirrors. I mean, might as well try and just prep it all. The headlights, I'll deal with that later, but I want to at least try and get everything ready that's here, and then that. And then I gotta scuff up the tail lights, and then yeah, is that it? And then I don't know, I might do my I was gonna try and do my the dash insert piece. Let's see here. So I'm gonna try and do like this piece and then the one for the center too, but it's right there. There's still a few the vents in it, and I couldn't get those out. I was already messing with it. Well, that was like a week ago, but yeah. So if anything, I'll deal with the interior later, because you know I still gotta paint my headlights, and if I get a new lift kit and stuff and whatnot. So anyways, I just got a few more body pieces left, and I'm gonna focus on the body for now and get the body all finished up. So I'm gonna try and get everything but the headlights done. And actually there's one other thing too. There's a dent on the back of the box that I realized a while ago when I was wet sanding it. I don't think I realized it when I was painting it, or I just didn't care. But now it's like, you know, that's gonna bother me. Like, okay, yeah, the box is already bubbling, which bothers me, but like, you know, this dent, you know, sticks out. Oh, there's a little one too right there. So, you know, guys, I already have to reprime it all, so it makes no difference to just fill this quick, honestly. So I'm gonna end up filling it, so I'm gonna get that done, and who knows, maybe I'll still be able to get it painted today, but it's gonna suck for tomorrow, because I gotta try and, at least if I do paint it, I gotta paint the box and get it back on, because I don't see any way. It's not smooth enough outside or anything to move it anywhere, so it'll just have to go back on. And then, you know, both my bumpers, my tailgate, my hood, and all the other little hanging parts, I could probably set the little parts somewhere, like those probably won't be bad to hang. The tail lights are going to be flat, so that won't be too bad. So I could probably still set up a few things and otherwise move a few things outside too. I don't think that that would be too bad. I think it's doable. And then for sure tomorrow night, I'll just have to start putting it on and getting the truck back together. So I definitely gotta get the headlights apart because I can't really put the tail lights back together until the headlights are like apart and done, kind of, because I want to put my logos or my, you know, my channel name on like the tail light and stuff, you know, to claim the build and, you know, mark my territory. So I thought that that would be cool to do. So I'm gonna keep them apart so I can get stickers made and obviously put them on before I put it back together. So that's the plan. But I'm gonna go get some supplies to go and fix the dent in the box, and I will get back to you guys. All right guys, so I went ahead and grabbed the Bondo, and hopefully I have enough hardener left. It kind of ripped open. You can see a little bit in there. Definitely gonna need to get some new stuff for that, but I'll do that on the next project. Hopefully this is the final spot. I honestly wasn't even expecting to do any more, but then I noticed this. I was like, you know, I gotta fix it. And there's a little spot right here too. So I'm gonna get that fixed up and mix up some Bondo, some lightweight filler here, and get it all smoothened out. And I got some spray primer. It's actually high build sandable primer in a can. Really cool stuff. I didn't know that they made it in a can, but works perfect for me. So I'll get this done and I'll get back to you guys. All right guys, and just like that, we got the dent all fixed here. You can kind of see the outline of where it was, sort of. I mainly got to just wet sand down right there. You can see the texture of the Bondo too. But got it all filled, blocked out, and then I just sprayed this sandable primer on it, and it says to wait 30 minutes, and then I can get this all blocked out, and then the box will be ready to go. So I had to fix a little spot right here too, but it's pretty good now. A lot better. Wait for it to fully dry and then get it nice and smooth, or at least, you know, it's already way better than it was before. And then all of it will be ready to be painted. I still gotta take these off though, but that's the last thing. And then the body panels are pretty much all ready to go. It's just door handles, mirrors, headlights, and wiper arms. That's all that's left for the body.